3, 2, 1, go.
Hello everyone, I am Jan Lester Per, 2ARB11. Today, I'm excited to talk about shooting range laboratory. I'm the most excited about this lab because it gives us hands-on experience in firearms and ballistics, which are key in criminal investigations. It helps us to understand how evidence is collected and analyzed in different scenarios. I expect great skills in my safety, marksmanship, and critical thinking. These skills will help me in my criminology journey and future career in law enforcement and forensic science. Thanks.